When you look at a bunch of clouds floating lightly in a beautiful blue sky, do you think they are so light? But the glow that seems to the earth is not really in a cloud. Today we talk about that in Bright Knowledge. A cloud contains small droplets. That is, they must have a small mass. Thus, a cloud that is composed of a large number of droplets of very small mass cannot be light at all. Scientists estimate that a cluster of clouds weighs approximately 500,000 kilograms. There are also instances where this value is much higher. If the clouds are so heavy, why can't they collapse to the ground? There are two main reasons why clouds stay in the sky. The first is that the water droplets are tiny. The second is the air rising from the face of the earth. The tiny droplets in the cloud move toward the earth at a slower rate than the larger droplets. This is because when the drops fall through the air pushes on them. Because smaller drops have less mass than large drops, they are difficult to push out of the air. Smaller droplets move toward the earth at a slower rate. The reason, when small droplets move toward the ground, their low mass causes them to be pushed upward by the air moving from the ground. When this happens collectively, we can see how the clouds float very lightly. The clouds float lightly above us, carrying tons of weight. How do clouds produce rain? Most of the water in the cloud exists as tiny droplets. The droplets are so light they float on the air. In some cases, those droplets are associated with other droplets. Then they turn into big drops. When that happens, gravity drops that massive drop of water into the earth. We call those falling drops rain. Water can also fall like snowflakes in the event of cold air. Freezing rain, sleet, or even hail may fall to the ground from clouds. Afterward, when you see a group of white clouds floating lightly in a beautiful blue sky, you will no longer feel as light as usual.